The shoot, we finally made it, y'all. My sister got some footage of him talking because clearly he didn't know that I told him about the couch and all of that, but I don't think he really just knew like that. This is a Chinese bang wig she made. Y'all, Candace did my makeup. It looks so good. So you got a shirt that you can put like on top of your clothes so it won't always okay. Sean, it is what it is today. Cause at least you can try on all the looks before you. They give me more time. Cause that curling ain't gonna take nothing. I like that leg. Left side. And then also my other I have some like next level sisters. I don't know. Okay, y'all. So I'm in the process of putting on the other wigs.
About 6. I know I should have brought extra.
It's a crazy burn. Like soon as you instantly feel it burn.
That's the right guy.
Meganese.
Okay, so we are shooting the first look. I'm wearing my perm hair. This is a sash fit. And then I have on you say Dupont heels. Oh, I need to fix that strap, but y'all. We have a photographer in the back. Y'all, I literally brought this couch in here with the curtains. Y'all, this need to be stopped.
Listen, I don't want to have this much fun, but the rivers need me.
You think we want to sit around all day playing video games? No. But I'm doing it for the rivers.
For the rivers.
Drink a Coors Hard Seltzer helps you.
Alright, hey y'all, welcome back. This is actually going to be the last video of the Get Ready With Me. I know that y'all just seen the most recent clip. That was me. Actually, I had to take my camera to Best Buy because now it was broke. So I'm vlogging on my phone, as y'all can see. And yeah, like this, I mean, I don't know, like this week has been good, but I have had a lot of stuff that wasn't planned happen, and I'm just like kind of slightly annoyed in a way, but I'm just like, it is what it is, whatever. As long as I'm getting the photos done and everything and getting everything out the way, I'm kind of just, you know, okay. I just got details from my shipping on my iPhone because I did order the Pro Max, and they shipped it. It was at the right facility, and for some reason they shipped it to Dallas. So y'all, sorry about the lighting, but they shipped the phone to Dallas, and I'm just like, Like, I don't even know what to do at this point. Like, it's just, everything is just annoying me at this point. I'm on the way to my makeup appointment. The photo shoot today at the Airbnb. That's gonna be exciting. Hopefully, I know that we're gonna get a lot of pictures. I really don't have to do too much, which I'm fine with, because I know yesterday y'all seen I was doing the U-Haul. And also, y'all, by the way, I took the U-Haul back today, this morning, because we didn't get home till like 1 in the morning, because we were coming from the north side. And I do want to shout out to the photographer, Paper Chris, on Instagram. I'll link him below as well, all of his information. I'm really thankful that he was able to still work with me. I ended up being like 20 minutes late. And I also had, like, you know, I had my couch, the drapes, everything. And he was really like working with everything I had. And I'm really thankful for that. So I really do appreciate, you know, him coming through, still giving me the option, still giving me time to shoot, even though I was running late. But he really did come through, so shout out to him. I just got off the phone with the other photographer that I'm going to be shooting with today, Trevor. His name is Shot by Royalty on Instagram. I'll link him below as well. No, I'm grateful that I woke up this morning. I'm blessed, and I'm gonna just say that I'm not complaining at all, but I'm just like, it is what it is. So hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there, and yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there. Got a vlog on my phone now. Y'all, the makeup is on point. I love it so much. Like, I want to go out to eat now. I want to go do something. I need a private shelf or something. I don't know. Y'all, my makeup looks so good. I want to go somewhere now. But just finished up with my makeup. Candice did it again. It looks so good. Y'all, this phone really does not do no justice. And I'm working with what I have, y'all. I'm working with what we got. So now I'm leaving. I'm about to head back to the house. I have to go get all of the pieces, but I'm trying to debate if I want to, as I'm going home, because the Airbnb is literally like down the street. I'm trying to see, it's down the street from where I'm at now, so I'm just like, oh, my hair. But I'm trying to see if I want to stop by, since check-in was at 4, and I don't know. I'm about to see what we're about to do. So yeah, I'm about to call my sister, and I will see y'all in a few. Okay, y'all, so I just made it to the Airbnb. It took forever, but we are finally here. Trevor's in the back, getting ready. Y'all to make sure y'all follow him, and my sister, Arlie Styles. So, but y'all, the house is nice. Like, this is some next level. You can't see. Well, these are just bedrooms and restrooms down here, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. I don't have my wig on right now. That's why I got this up in my head, but we're not gonna worry about it. Let's take y'all upstairs. Get ready for my first look, because we are slightly running behind, but y'all, we excited we're here. Stay tuned. So I put on the first outfit, guys. We're setting up. This is gonna be the first area for the shoot, so keep watching.
She's not here right now, she's not. Yeah, why you keep asking me about? She's not here right now. Yeah. She's not here right now. Yeah. She's She's not here right now. Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so we are almost finished. I think I'm in like my 5th look. So this is just a 2-piece olive green set, really cute, ruffled. I just have on some nude heels, and y'all look at the makeup. Y'all need to book y'all appointments. But I have where we're shooting with Trevor, shot by Royalty. Y'all, the looks and everything is coming together. I have my sister. She's also helping out with the hair, of course. But I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I'm going to go ahead and close the video out. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, going through the journey with me. You know, if you are out there wanting to do something, a business, have a goal or anything, just go for it. Don't even think twice. So I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.